guys, I'd like to tell you a little bit about my new favorite product. It's called LRM. Somebody reached out to me in regards to trying their product. So I got these cute little pods in the mail, and you know, when I got it, I didn't think much of it. I was like, it's time. I had just got my hair treated, it was bleached, it was tangled. Honestly, I could barely brush through it, and it was a nightmare. So I thought, okay, this is supposed to repair your hair. We'll see. So I tried it, left it on for 30 minutes, washed my hair, let it air dry. Oh my goodness, this product saved my life. I mean, now my hair, look at it. It's soft, it's shiny, it's a little messy right now, but it's been a long day. Like I said, it's a dream product. If you have bleached hair, damaged hair, just put this baby on and rinse it off, air dry, and it's like your hair's refreshed, brand new, and beautiful. So, if you haven't tried it yet, definitely do it. It is so worth the money and so worth your time and saves your hair.